Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to my first video ever for IELTS preparation in 2021. Well guys, you know 2020 is almost over and this has been the worst year for me because my father passed away in this year. So, but anyways, 2021, how to prepare for IELTS in 2021. Let's take a start with listening. You might have seen some of my videos on IELTS listening recently. I would like to advise you the style of teaching which I have adopted in those videos. You must teach yourselves IELTS listening like that. How? Do one section of IELTS listening, then see how many answers are correct, how many mistakes are there, that's the trade. How many mistakes are there, and then you need to sort out your mistakes. I call it debriefing with your mistakes. I call it investigate in your mistakes. I mean, whenever you made a mistake, you should see why did the mistake take place. Was that because of the trap that you selected the wrong answer, or actually the reason for mistake was something else, right? So you need to find out the reason. In the same way, take IELTS listening section by section. I mean, you can take section 1, then section 2, then section 3 and section 4, and in each section you must see your performance. You must see in each section what is your number of correct answers. Like you do section 1, you always get 10 correct answers. So that means in section 1 you are fine. Then you realize in section 2, I've got problems with maps. Pay special attention to maps. In the same way, if in section 3 you've got trouble with multiple choice, you can just check that how to deal with it. Okay, so this is important, right? This is very, very important. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. As far as IELTS reading is concerned, again I tell you, you need to take IELTS reading section wise and question wise. Don't take IELTS reading that you take full test and then you see, okay, I've taken full test and my 28 answers are correct. No, you need to see where are the mistakes. What are the mistakes? Why are there the mistakes? You must realize this thing. So when you deal IELTS reading section by section and question by question, like you say, I am quite good at sentence completion type of questions. I am quite good with multiple choice in reading. I've got issues with list of headings. Then pay attention to list of headings. I mean, you need to separate IELTS reading into small parts, into small chunks, and then deal with each chunk. That will improve your bench score. As far as writing is concerned, in 2020, I would advise you, as I used to advise you in the past, good readers are the good writers. In order to write well, you need to read well. Whatever you want to write, you should read that. If you want to write articles in the newspaper, read articles in the newspaper. If you want to write essays, read as many standard essays as possible. That will improve your skill. And if you want to actually improve your letter writing skills, try to read as many letters as possible, try to read as many reports as possible, and let me tell you, don't read like a dummy. I'm sorry I'm using this word for you. For anyone, don't read like a dummy. Reading like a dummy is you read, you don't understand what you are reading, you don't know what you're reading. You need to read with careful analysis. That is important. Whatever you read, you must realize, I'm reading this sentence, it's a compound sentence, these are the words, tense is present or past or future and all that. So that sort of reading with careful analysis. Then again, understand the topic. This is the topic of essay. This is what I'm reading. So this will inculcate some skills inside you, and we call it passive learning, and passive skills will become active when you write your own essay. And for speaking, try to speak as much as possible and try to make yourself familiar with IELTS speaking test pattern and the type of questions which they ask you. If you are going to do this, most definitely in 2020 it will be a lucky year for you. You will clear your IELTS, you will get your desired band, and most definitely in 2020 by the grace of God you will reach your destination country. That's all guys, thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck from Royal Palm Golf and Country Club, Lahore. This is the place where I offer my IELTS classes. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.